Welcome to PDFRun. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fill out Form 1099 NEC. 1099 NEC is a tax form used by taxpayers to report any compensation worth more than $600 and is paid by a company to non-employees. It is also a form used to report benefits, commissions, prizes, and awards for service performed by a non-employee. To download and print a copy of Form 1099 NEC, you can visit the official IRS website. For your convenience, you may also fill out Form 1099 NEC electronically on PDFRun. To fill out Form 1099 NEC, click on the Fill Online button. It will redirect you to PDFRun's online editor. Before starting, please do take note that Form 1099 NEC requires information from both the payer and the recipient. First, enter the payer's name, street address, city or town, state or province, zip or foreign postal code, country, and telephone number. Next, enter the payer's tax identification number or TIN. Then, enter the recipient's TIN, followed by the recipient's legal name. Enter the recipient's street address. If there is an apartment number, include it. Enter the recipient's city or town, state or province, zip or foreign postal code, and country. Enter the account number only if you have multiple accounts for a recipient for whom you are filing more than one Form 1099 NEC. Mark the box if the IRS notified you twice within 3 calendar years that the payee provided an incorrect TIN. On the other hand, if you received both IRS notices in the same year, or if you received them in different years but they're both related to information returns filed for the same year, do not check the box at this time. Enter non-employee compensation, or NEC, from the previous tax year. It must amount to $600 or more. NEC includes the following: fees, commissions, prizes, and awards for services performed as a non-employee. Other forms of compensation for services performed for your trade or business by an individual who is not your employee. Fish purchases for cash. Oil and gas payments for a working interest whether or not services are performed. Expenses incurred for the use of an entertainment facility that you treat as compensation to a non-employee. Federal executive agencies that make payments to vendors for services, including payments to corporations, must report the payments in this box. Mark the box if the payer made direct sales, amounting to more than $5,000 worth of consumer products to the recipient for resale. Leave this blank. This is reserved for the future use of the IRS. Enter federal income tax withheld. If there is any, enter state tax you withheld from the non-employee compensation. Enter the abbreviated name of the state and the payer's state identification number. Enter the amount of the state payment. Review and double-check if all entered information is correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print your Form 1099 NEC. To learn more about this form or find other fillable templates, visit www.pdfrun.com.